Welcome to our channel. Today we how to integrate Stripe billing with Bubble for SaaS. Detailed guide step by step. To begin, log into your Bubble account and create a new app. Once inside your app, navigate to the Plugins tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Add Plugins button at the top right corner. In the search bar, type Stripe to find the Stripe plugin. Select the Stripe.js plugin and click the Install button. After installation, you will see the Stripe configuration options. You need to create a Stripe account if you don't have one yet. After creating your Stripe account, log in to access the dashboard. Locate the API keys section in the developer settings of your Stripe dashboard. Copy your publishable key and secret key. Return to your Bubble app and paste the publishable key into the respective field in your Stripe plugin settings. Now, paste the secret key into the corresponding field as well. Ensure that you have the Stripe billing feature enabled in your Stripe dashboard. Next, set up a data type in Bubble for your subscription plan. Navigate to the Data tab and click on the New Type button. Name this new type Subscription Plan. Add relevant fields to this data type, such as plan name, amount, and billing interval. Now, create a new page or use an existing one for handling subscriptions. Drag and drop input elements for the user to enter their payment information. Next, go to the Workflow tab to create a new workflow for the subscription button. Choose the action Stripe, create a subscription. Configure the action to use the selected subscription plan and the user's payment detail. Make sure to associate the user with the subscription by selecting the user data type. If your app requires trial periods, add this functionality in the subscription workflow. Once the workflow is configured, preview your app to test the subscription process. Verify the transaction in both your Bubble app and your Stripe dashboard. If everything works correctly, proceed to implement additional features, such as subscription management. This includes canceling subscriptions and handling payment failures. To do this, set up additional workflows based on user actions within your app. You may also want to display the user's active subscription details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.